Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a JPEG to a PNG format with imageupscaling.net. Ladies and gentlemen, imageupscaling.net, this is their homepage. We're going to go up over here from this menu and look for the image converter. Now, very simple. I love this layout, and the best part is it is free. So here we're going to go ahead and click on choose files, and now you are going to choose your output format. Now you can choose PNG, JPEG, or WebP, and this is very useful if you are uploading an image that opens on the web. All right, once you've done all of these settings, you can also choose your quality. So keeping that at 100% is not, moving it down from 100% is not going to really change anything. Let's go ahead and click on convert and download. Now, immediately it says download should start. Here it is. Let's open it up. Here we are. You can see now it is a PNG. Just like that, you can use your image upscaler to completely convert whatever file to PNG, JPEG, or anything else.